If you can check out YouTube, Precious, we should be fine over there now. Thank you, baby. Thank you, baby. I'm sorry. All right. Now, do you hear me? What's up, Annie Apple? I moved to TikTok tonight. All right, Kent. What's up, Just Kaz? So we're good.
YouTube is good.
Wow, how weird is that it can go that way? All right, I'll whip through them all again, then we're going to go over trade. All right. Oh, I don't have. Hold on. YouTube on. All right, let's go over here. Let's go over here. Live. That's a good picture. Screw that. Good enough. All right. Is no one here on YouTube? It's funny. All right. Everyone wants to head over to YouTube. You can. If not, I understand. We should have sound on both now at this point. Good evening, Annie. Good evening, Kent. Good evening, Apollo. Paula Pauls. That's funny. Paul of Pauls. Good evening, Andres, and two silly Siberians and Kent. All right. We're going to get rolling. I'm going to whip through the 14 symbols yet again. Actually, right now, I already did this, but let's try it again. And let me take this. Oh, I want to leave this on because that's what this face is. All right. Let's start with gold again. Gold. 1 minute sell stop. Gold. I still think it's going to do a 1 minute buy, but whatever. It's officially a 1 minute sell stop. It's going to change soon, within a couple hours, to a 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. That's how I'm calling gold. It'll then form a 15-minute sell stop and go down. If it doesn't do that, then just take the 15-minute sell stop down now. Gold, daily buy. That's gold. U.S. oil, 1 minute. Well, that's a good-looking buy stop. And it was to the blue line. We made money on that trade. 1 minute buy stop. U.S. oil to the blue line again. To the 1 hour blue line, U.S. oil. 4 hour daily sell stop, U.S. oil. Weekly buy stop, U.S. oil. XRP, 1 minute. Oh, hold on, I can't see this. What's up, Pablo? Good evening, sir. Partial screen on YouTube. Yep, that's the way you're going to get it, George, and that's life, and I hope you like it. LT, good evening, Dr. Matt. Good evening, George. All right. 1 minute, where are we at? XRP, it's already booming. I'm assuming, yeah, that's going the wrong direction. XRP, 5 minute buy. You're in, it's too late. It's going up to the 30. It's going up to the 1 hour. It's already done it. XRP, too late for the buys. 4 hour sell stop. Daily buy to the blue line, XRP. It's going to go right back up there again. Weekly sell stop, monthly buy, XRP. Ethereum does the exact same thing as Bitcoin. Bitcoin does the same thing as Ethereum. So Ethereum, how far away are we on this one? Hold on. Damn, look at that thing go up. Officially, nothing, 1 minute. I'm going to call an unofficial 1 minute sell stop on Ethereum. You don't have to listen to me, but it's going to pull back. There's the 1 hour touch. Yep, that's what it's going to do. 4 hour sell stop Ethereum. Daily buy stop Ethereum. Weekly sell stop Ethereum. Monthly buy stop Ethereum. Bitcoin, which leads Ethereum 99% of the time. 1 minute sell stop back to the line. Then it will form. Look, it's too far away. You know that this is going. That's why I hit that 1 hour over there. There's the 4 hour. There's a daily buy. So this is your daily buy for Bitcoin. Nothing I can do about that right now. Weekly sell, monthly buy Bitcoin, which has got to be driving the naysayers nuts because Bitcoin's rising up like it was told to do. Oh, well, they thought it was going to go down. Good luck. USD CAD. It was a 1 minute buy to the blue line. You can take that again. 5 minute sell stop USD CAD. 30 minute buy. 1 hour sell USD CAD. Daily nothing. You're way too late on that one. Weekly buy stop to the monthly blue line. It's going to come down and touch this weekly line and then come back up again. UDCHF is the complete opposite of ERUSD. ERUSD 1 minute. Sell stop fill in the gap is happening right now. ERUSD 5 minute sell, 15-minute buy. No. 1 minute sell, 5 minute buy, 15-minute sell, 1 hour buy, 1 hour, 4 hour buy. It's going to come hook back down ERUSD towards its blue line and then go back up again. Oh, sorry, it's not you need me. Daily buy stop to the blue line ERUSD. Weekly sell stop to the monthly blue line ERUSD. GBP USD 1 minute sell stop fill in the gap. 5 minute buy stop. GBP USD 15-minute sell stop. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. GBP USD. Look at the perfection of this. GBP USD was a daily buy to the blue line as called out live. It's a weekly sell stop to ERUSD's monthly blue line. 1 minute GBP NZ New Zealand. That's nothing. Let me see. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop to the 5 minute blue line. 15-minute, 30-minute, soon to be 30-minute buy stop GBP New Zealand. 1 hour, nothing. You already missed the 4 hour by miles. You missed the daily by days. Nothing. There's nothing to call on that. GBP JPY. GY, GBP JPY, 1 minute buy stop. It might pull all the way down to that 5 minute though, but we'll wait. It's going to be a 15-minute. 15-minute sell stop. 1 hour buy stop. GBP JPY, GY. 4 hour daily buy stop. Weekly buy to the monthly blue line, which it already touched. Called that out since January. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line, SPX. Let me pull these out of here for the time being so you guys don't get confused. 15-minute sell stop. 15-minute, 30-minute sell stop. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. And that's all you need to know on SPX. NAS. 1 minute. Yeah, we're going to be going down, watch. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Let me see something quick here. Yeah. 2 out of 3 already hit it. NAS is the free one right here. Oops, sorry. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. It'll form a 1 hour buy stop. It's already in. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. NAS, US 30. And it's probably already below this. Hold on, I gotta pull this back in for a second. Yeah. Damn. Hold on. 15 minutes, gonna form a 15 minutes, so do a buy. Yeah, do the buy. Hold on. I'll try to get you a nice little pattern here for everything. So it came up and touched. It's beyond it by miles. And it hasn't gone up to it yet. So we have SPX and NAS up. Buy stop US 31 minute. It's going to form a 15-minute sell stop. And your 4 hour buy. 4 hour buy stop US 30. Daily too late. Weekly too late. So those are the callouts. All right, I'll write those down for you again in a second. All right, let's look at a trade that someone had an issue with, but again, we don't go over trades individually, and emails are I'd be there all day. I'm using this as a learning experience for you guys. Oh, shoot. You guys on YouTube won't be able to see the whole thing. All right, what he has up right here, this person that wrote in, very nice. I'll take it easy and not be ripping or anything. He's comparing a NAS 30-minute and a NAS 15-minute chart. And he should have been looking to confirm on the 1 hour chart a little bit higher. Yes, you should only go one time up, but that's the first mistake. Second mistake, he got greedy. Third mistake, he didn't follow rule number 6 where he didn't raise up his inline right here. He needed to put it, see, he had it a 1/4 inch below, which is a little low on NAS, this is, but it's close. But when it went back up, you can see the green line went back up. He kept his entry line here. That entry line needed to come back up towards this. If he did that, he had about 10, 15 pips profit, and he wouldn't have been getting greedy. He could have took that money and ran. As it was, he's trying to say that this thing popped up, causing him to be tapped out. What he doesn't realize on this trade on NAS, let's take a look at it clearly on NAS, is when we look at the NAS 1 hour, watch. The 1 hour right here, let's go in on his time frame where he was. This is it right here. It literally on the 1 hour, watch. You see this? This is the tip of that 30-minute where he's thinking that it didn't go up and it came up higher than it. You can clearly see on the 1 hour, if you'd have placed the stop loss, it would have been up here. In my opinion, entirely too high, but whatever. Should have been up here. He was trying to run it off the 30-minute because it's the next highest time frame, but that is incorrect. And the reason being is you can't get a good beat on this. What do I mean? If you can't see a clear safety trade, which would have been what? This one right here is the 15-minute. And then if he's trying to put a stop loss here and he's saying, oh, I got tapped in here. No, you didn't. If you'd had 2 times to make 10 or 15 pips twice, you chose not to take those profits. You chose to be greedy. You got slaughtered like a pig. In our business, pigs get slaughtered. I'm not trying to be mean. I'm trying to be honest. You had the ability to take 10 pips. You had the ability to take 15 pips. If you had it on the line, you had the ability to take 20 pips twice. I'll zoom in for you where you can see clearly where he didn't take the money at. Right here. This is where he said he got caught into. You can literally see it where he tried to mistakenly draw his inline right here. So he's saying that his inline was right here. That is incorrect. And he was in the money even on his own draw inline, but he should have had it up when it arched up. That's rule number 6 on our rules. 6 or 7, but I think it's 6. You have to move your inline sell stop line up when the green line or the red line moves. It has to go up, period. Okay? Second thing is, even if he entered the trade, and even if he wasn't a greedy pig and didn't take his money like he should have twice, and he stayed in the trade, he should have put his stop loss on the 1 hour. But no, he didn't do that. So if he didn't do it on the 1 hour, then he'd have tapped and got out. But this exact same trade never broke structure. He should have re-entered again on this one, made even more money on this down one. So he should have made money once. He should have made money twice. He should have made money 3 times. Then it went down a lot. He should have made money again. And then it arched back up, never tapping out his stop loss, which shouldn't be here. It would be actually up here now. So there's about 3 or 4 or 5 different things that are incorrect. 1, he didn't raise up when he should have went up with this thing. 2, when he was actually taking these trades, he wasn't taking profit when he should have, which should have been 5, 10, or 15 pips on NAS. 3, he should have put a second trade as break even. 4, he should have put a stop loss on the 1 hour and not the 30-minute. 5, he should have re-entered the trade and re-entered the trade once, twice, 3 times. The Bach never broke. We lose a battle, win the war. If you lose one trade, it doesn't matter. You go right back into it. So even if he was a greedy pig, he would have lost out, came back in the trade, and made that money back plus some. So how do we know that? Because you can look at the trades right here. This is what he was looking at. You can clearly see he would have had shit tons of money no matter what time period. If he would have just kept it right here, you'd have been right here, down to here. 13 pips if you'd have did it again right here. 14 pips if you'd have did it right here. 90 pips. So even if he completely did everything screwed up and wrong, and he lost 80 pips, which is just moronic at that point, then he would have made up 90 on the next trade down. So those are all the things he did wrong. You can clearly see it when Bach never broke. You can clearly see the sell stop was formed. Everything was perfection. He got scared. He got tapped out because he didn't use the 1 hour stop loss. If you took the 1 hour stop loss, you can clearly see the only trade that you'd have entered into would have been this one up here, which is clearly not ever going to be touched again on the 1 hour, which is your validation. Why not the 30-minute? You can use the 30-minute by all means. The 15-minute, 30-minute is perfection. Feel free to use it. I don't like these 15-minute trades. They're not my favorite. But if you're going to do it, hug that line closer. When it arched up, when this red line moved up, you needed to move your entry line up with it. You kept it down. This original one right here, which is wrong. When the red line moves up, you move your entry line in up. And anywhere around here would have been closer, just like you had it down here. It's the same distance. And in which case, you would have been up that 10, 15 pips. You should have took profit twice. Then you should have put your stop loss up at the 1 hour line, period. And then you would have been up 90 pips because you'd have maybe, even if you would have tapped out on this one, whatever, 60, 70 pips, you'd have re-entered again and made your 90 pips profit again. So hopefully that's clear. I've repeated myself 3 times and I hate repeating myself. So that's what's wrong with this trade. Not a lot right with it. He's close on a lot of regards, but this is an unacceptable trade. I mean, if nothing else, you can clearly see it wasn't off the sea of green, for instance, the Super 7, whatever you used to call it, right? The 7-ups isn't there on this 30 minute. It just isn't. He's playing off the green, off the red, and then the bottom two are green, green. That is not even a sell stop anyways. And then you can clearly see what it did after that, and that's what you're looking at. That's how I'd read this trade. So I hope that made sense to everybody. No one's perfect. It's not a big deal. Is it one of the times the system was wrong? Absolutely not. You always have the chance on other time frames that aren't 1 hour and 4 hour to have a complete and utter where you lose the battle, win the war trade. If you're on a 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute trade, it can happen. Sorry. I don't think it did, but if you think it did, then so be it. You can look at this. Let me be clear on what this is, by the way. Let's look at this clearly. If you go to the 30 minute for confirmation, right? And then this is a comes down, comes over, arches up, and comes down. You should only have his sell stop over here on the 30 minute. Do you see what the difference is? He would have been on the 30 minute now, look. And you can see clearly on the 30 minute, when it dipped down, it would have never re-entered. His stop loss would have been way up here. So even if he didn't want to use the 1 hour, the 30 minute is the exact same thing. If he's trying to use confirmation on the 30 minute, and you're supposed to put your stop loss on the 30 minute, then why is he showing me pictures when his stop loss is on the 15 minute? I don't understand anything about that trade, actually. I'm going to have to be honest with you. So any which way you slice it, didn't raise up his entry line, didn't have his stop loss on the higher time frame, didn't take profit when he could have took profit twice, didn't re-enter the trade when he should have re-entered the trade, and it made 90 pips. I don't know if I can be any clearer, but that's as clear as I can get. All right. Does anybody have any questions? Ed, saying here, half screen on YouTube. Yep. Trash. Kev, I made 1.1 thousand. Congratulations, Sash. Way to go, my brother. I'm right at SPX. Self stop to the blue line. Let's get by the system. Learn it. Change your life. Personal responsibility. We will all rise. Thank you, Tuki. Tucky, community. Got another 100% win rate. Hey, Jack Wagon. Awesome. Congratulations, Jack. Let me see, Paula. Are you going back to YouTube tonight? I'm on YouTube right now. Mr. Ramos, good evening. Two Silly Siberians, Kent, Annie Apple. That's a funny name. All right, guys. All right. Anybody else have any questions on TikTok, YouTube? I just wanted to call on here. Hi, Kevin. Can you please check SPX 15 minute SS1? Yes. Let's take a look at that. SPX 15 minute. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line has come true for SPX. 15 minute sell stop to the blue line. That is correct. 30 minute. Yes, that is correct. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. How low are we going to get? Let me take off this line so I can see clearly. Yeah. See, we might have hit down. They wicked us down to the line right here. And I think that might be our go. I don't know how much lower we're going to go. I prefer it. Yes. This is what we would prefer to have doing on SPX. It's going to come down here to this red line and bounce up right there, okay? That's what it's going to do. Will it do it with that candle wick, or will it do it with that 15 minute sell stop going back down to this line right there? I personally think it's going to go down a little bit more, but let me see something. Yeah, see, this is that candle wick touching down. Let me see how far we'll be if it goes down to here. You know, I think it's going to go down to here. I really do. If it doesn't, so be it. But I can see SPX 15 minute going down to the 4 hour blue line again, full, candle full. And then arching up and coming up. I hear thunder. All right, Ryan, anything else on TikTok, YouTube, anybody? So I don't even know how. So it looks like some of your problems with your Wi-Fi way more. I don't even know how this is going or who's doing what. So we're just on the phone, right? I'm going to stay on the phone. I'll turn it sideways for him. Oh, no. I don't think the phone allows you to go sideways on YouTube. Nope, not on the live. See, it's telling you to straighten it back up. I can't go sideways. Can you imagine that? Now, TikTok will let you. YouTube won't let you turn your phone sideways. Oh, my God. Oh, Lordy. All right. So they're all, I believe, just to be clear. Let me check it one more time. Yeah, it's 30 minutes. Yes, 30. 15 minutes. No, yeah, I'm calling that. I don't even like these buy stops on the 1 minute. I am 100% calling. I think these are going to be 1 minute sell stops. 5 minute, 15 minute sell stops. Then it's going to form a 1 hour, 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour buy stop. There you go. There it is. So I'm going to do 1 minute right here. Sell stops. Oh, shoot. And then we're going to make this. I hear the rain coming. Then we're going to make this 4 hour buy stops. Now, whether they turn into 4 hour buy stops or 1 hour buy stops, that's what it's going to be. It's a beautiful heads up on the US 30 4 hour buy stop. That's a matter of fact. That is a thing of picture perfection. I'm going to leave one over here and we'll just wait. If it comes up overnight, I won't even know. All right. Anybody have any questions? I'm going to go off both of these. I'm not staying any longer on either one. I'm just not. So I'm setting up for both the sell stop and the buy stop on US 30. You guys can play with SPX or NAS if you want. I'm taking this one all day long. All right, good luck, guys. All right, ladies and gentlemen, anything else you guys have? Have you tested the system on funded account? If so, how did it do? Hey, Michael Spells. Anybody want to answer Michael's question? Have we tested it on a funded account? Anyone at all? I would say it's been tested hundreds of times. We have people that pass funded accounts in their sleep twice. We have Tommy who has two $1 million funded accounts. We have gentlemen that has 4 or 5 different accounts. Anyone that has a funded account, speak up, please. And yes, Mr. Ramos will do US Oil. Funded accounts are, yeah, they're very, very easy with little to no drawdown on a funded account. I troubled to hear all of the calls this morning was the right one. Oh, good. I'm glad, Annie, you caught the right one. EA85, multiple funded accounts, homie, says Jorge Ramos. 1,000 a day today on a live account, says CP Sleepy Dog. Great. Obvious says Ken, thank you for speaking up, and I'm checking US Oil for you right now. People post their certs in the Discord almost every day. So yes, people post their certs in the Discord almost every day. We have a lot of people that have funded accounts. I mean, some people have 5 or 6 themselves. I know we have dozens upon dozens of our members have it, and I'm laughing because it was a nicely worded question. We'll leave it at that. All right, oil, 1 minute. Let's take a look. Buy stop. You can't really do it. You're too late with oil. I thought I mentioned this. This is a 1 minute buy stop. This is forming a 15 minute. It's going to the 30 minute. I told you it's going to go to the 1 hour. This is a 1 hour buy stop on oil to the blue line. It's clear. I'm sure it says it on our scanner. US Oil, buy stop 1, right here. This is your scanner. For once, people on TikTok can see it. That's funny. Here it is. This is your scanner. Oil is the bottom one right there. BS1. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour. That's it. And it's correct. Sell stop 1 on the 5 minute, 15 minute. Buy stop on the 1 hour, 4 hour. So there it is. Scanner's perfection. The scanner literally trades like me. When you're in doubt, look at your scanner. It doesn't make mistakes. It's exactly like me. And this is a 5 minute. This is a 15 minute sell stop to the blue line. And it also is equally true that it is a 1 hour buy stop to the blue line. I did over $6,000 yesterday with this ejaculate action. Spoiler in the rules says CP. Absolutely. Sweet, thanks, Mr. Ramos. You're welcome. I hope I answered his question. We have people passing the funded accounts with zero drawdown, no losses, zero drawdowns passing their $25,000, $50,000, $100,000 accounts. Answer your question, Michael. Hey, Kev, what opinion could you give to someone who's been on a losing? Just Kaz, you have the system and you're on a losing streak, follow the rules. Trade on the 1 hour, 4 hour, and follow the rules. You can't have a losing streak. No possibility with the system. And if you don't have the scanner, get the scanner. It literally was perfect today with SPX and USD and NAS. Literally, the system was perfect. Called the buy stops early, called the sell stops later. Period. Perfection. Did I lose something? What happened? To the blinds, perfection. Yep. Scanner called the US 30 sell stop this morning. Beautiful. Yep. Thank you, Johnny Bird, for speaking up. Correct. Rules 100%. Correct. You have to follow those rules. Don't mess around. All right. Oh, that's weird. Where'd the scanner go? Hello? That was weird.
Oh, the storm.
Yeah.
About to wipe us out.
All right, storm's about to wipe us out. We got to go. All right, guys. God bless. Y'all have a great, great evening. Just take your time and don't be anxious. That's correct. Got the scanner and the system. Been doing on the 4 hours and still doing. Just cast. I'm not going to call you that there's something wrong with what you're doing, but there's no way in hell that you're not. You're following the rules. You're using the scanner on the 1 hour, 4, and you're having losing trades. 100% impossible. Go ahead and tell me one of your trades. Post the symbol, the date, and the time from today of your trade that you said it was a losing trade on a 1 hour, 4 hour go. Tell me what the 1 hour trade was. Tell me your time exacted on your Forex. And we'll go impossible. If you follow the rules to do verification on a 4 hour time frame with the 1 hour, you could not have had a losing trade today. Even if you were trading some shitty thing like NVIDIA or Dash or USD JPY, impossible. No, just Kaz, give me the call. Just Kaz, tell me which trades you had a losing trade on today in a 1 hour trade. Let me look at it. We have 2 out of the 3. US 30 is the only one not to its blue line on the 1 minute. Hold on. Yeah, 1 minute buy stop to the blue line, US 30. You're going to force me to change this shit just for that one. Damn, here comes that rolling thunder again. Hurley just cast. GBP CAD. No, what time was your trade on GBP CAD? I'll make it up for him just so he sees it. Okay, if you took this trade right here on GBP CAD, it's too far away. You need to wait for the rebound right here. Your entrance should have been right here. So if you took this trade off the 4 hour, you'd have been in right here. You'd be up 21 pips or not enter trade. So it's impossible. You didn't enter the trade at the proper time. If this was, since you're not telling what it was. This is it. Now you're into a broken Bach. This is no longer a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. You can't take this trade. Or you can take it as a 4 hour daily trade. So you entered in incorrectly. You entered in, that scam's going nuts. You entered in way up here. Oh, you can't see. Oh, you're on TikTok. Yes, you can. You can see right here where you would have entered, which would have been right here. You can clearly see this isn't a retracement down here. Look what happened. Price came below. You wait for the higher time frame. Price come below, came up. The first time it happened to have been right here. So let's actually go back to the point where you should have entered. This is the first trade you should have done. You see where you made a mistake? First trade's the best trade. You should have got in here on a buy stop from SS1 to the blue line with the proper retracement on GBP CAD 4. If you would have did that one at the right time like you should have right here, it would have been easy pickings. You'd be up 200 pips. But no, you waited for the absolute worst time to enter in, which would have been right here. Oh, I put my buy stop up here. It is 100% incorrect. You're too far away. It did not come back and retrace to the blue line, to this red line, sorry, on the 4 hour. You needed to enter in here. And even at that one, you're already 200 pips up, and it broke the box, so I wouldn't enter in this trade at this time. I would wait. Not saying it's not a buy stop, it's a dirty buy stop, but you have to go up to the daily to verify this, which it is. And again, look at your up. You're going up to this weekly line. It's just a much longer trade for it to develop. Let this come down a little bit more. Let us hook into a 4 hour sell stop down here. So now watch what's going to happen. Just wait for it. I'm telling you right now what's going to happen. Price is going to come over, form our logo, come up. You'll see the bullshit detector turn red and will hook and come back up again. I'm calling it out before it happens. This detector right here will turn to red. The rest will stay green. This will be on the 4 hour. So you're about to see a little more drop down and then a pull up. Before I would take the trade, this is what I would do. Hopefully that helps clarify for you. You know you didn't give it a time. I'm 99% sure that's what you're talking about. All right. From the 19th, around 2 p.m. So your time be 9. No, it's not my time, just Cass. There's Forex time. So the Forex time you're talking about would have been 6:19 around 1900, and you would have been captured in somewhere wrongly around 6:20 at 1. I don't think you could have been captured in here at 6:20 at 5, maybe. So yeah, if you're talking about the 19th, and you should never even enter trade. If you're trying to tell me you entered the trade on 6:19 at 1900, you're way entirely too close to this line right here, which I can't get any more detail. But I explained why that doesn't work anyways. You're too far away on the 4 hour. The 4 hour confirmation means you have to have our logo form on the 4 hour. The logo didn't form on the 4 hour. The logo formed the 4 hour right here when it first did it on GPVCAD. Here it was way up here, away from the red line. That's not our logo. You know what our logo is. Starts underneath, told to come up, comes back down, touches the line. That's where you look for the buy stop or sell stop at. You're looking for it way up here. That's incorrect. Hope that helps you. Rewatch this video until it does. Yeah, you're way off on entry on that thing. What's up, Moto? All right, guys, gotta go. I've been on way entirely longer than I wanted. Sorry about technical difficulties, but tough shit on the. So what are we gonna do about YouTube when I can't turn the thing? Oh, I'll have to use the camera.
Has Restream gotten back to you?
No, they suck.
Wow.
$900 something. I've been laggy all day. Yeah, ours too. All right, guys, gotta run. Talk to y'all later. God bless. Have a good evening. Fresh, say anything for them?
Have a good night.
All right, talk to y'all later. Can I even end it? Wow, it won't even let me end that. That's wild. There we go. I think we're done. Edit. All right, so I can edit that one. I got to do all that. I got to close this. Night on YouTube. Talk to y'all later. But then we're